M.O.P. Next of Kin, the takeover.
How you guys doing, man? How you guys doing, man? Now they follow me for Instagram. I'm going to London next month. So they rehearse down. How you guys doing, man? Y'all good? Regular, make some noise. Be proud of yourself. This country don't they round up. Anything you can afford now, hold on strong. You getting me? Now good evening. Why are they happy like this? Your first night to call you. Bros, thank you. I know so now you can come. J5. How far now? Okay, you don't feel shake me from there. But you get money. Nobody get. Small pikin sit down. Now your next of kin be that. She go chop popcorn till she grow. This next of kin thing now for person wey get money. And maybe my partner next of kin. No problem, I hear it. I still dey pay bill till now. So, how you guys doing? Please clap for M.O.P. You know easy. They do show by this time. This whole way, so they don't double the money. So as I did, I don't want to show till 2024. Man, no be the next president. This more money where I get, still take I pay for all, I take at the shop first. I'm telling you the truth. I get 2 children, we not get conscience. My first son, no believe in me.
Continue.
You go funny too now because no one not picking. Julius Agu, the genius. Boss, good evening, sir. My second son at 2 years old, na Curtis. I'm not joking, I'm serious. They see 12 pen knife from his bag last week. They don't rusticate him from nursery school. Telling you, man. My wife, terrorist. This year now, by October, it will be my 10th year wedding anniversary. If I get conscious, I'm supposed to clap. I've been married for 10 years. If you notice, I didn't say happily married. I said I've been married for 10 years. That's what's up. During our Mother's Day, women are the try. You know, so that woman has stopped the killing of twins. Mary Slessor. Yes. The problem is that not on IT apple. You sleep with all the people where they. So first of all, before we even go that route. The killing of twins back then, na sacrifice to the JUJU. Once you born twins, they assume that JUJU get those children, they'll kill the children for the JUJU. So for the woman to stop the killing of twins, which means that she stopped JUJU sacrifice. So you think it's normal? You sleep with all the guards. Tell yourself, when I kill this JUJU, there's more where that came from. Because where guards, they match JUJU face. Get the bastard. Telling you, things that happen. My wife, after 10 years, go look me and say, baby, do you love me? I say, is there another answer to that question? Nobody man with the one person go say no. What do you expect? I don't love you. The next day, if a Warri boy dies from sniper, and even assure him, I love you more than I love myself. She'll come ask me, babe, if me and you the Wakana lion come out, what will you do? I say, where we go to pass? I need to know. Are you telling me so we go to Waka for bush? No, babe, it's a romantic question. What will you do? I say, okay, I go run. Go ask me, babe, you will just run and leave me there. I said, what do you go to do there? Do you want to hug the lion? Telling you. You see, Nigeria is a peculiar country. And then we get petroleum minister. Petrol not there. He go London. Go to drive motor for there. Leave us for Yemo, they queue up. Nigeria, the only country for the world we get information minister, we not get information. Fact, they Google. Nigeria, the only country for the world where person, they fight to win election, go meet one poor pastor, may pray for her. Taribo West, pray for Telugu. Hunger na your mate. You know what it means? Say you play football for years, you don't come make them again. One politician, when you don't really like, can offer you money, and you start to pray for them. God is merciful, though. Fact. Our information minister here say, Nnamdi Kanu be for Israel. He go tweet, say, if they don't bring back Nnamdi Kanu in the next 48 hours, we are going to fight Israel. So who be we? So if you smoke, you go affect the full country. Tell him. Yeah, as we do here now, I know some men get planned after this show. When you get where you carry come out to you buy ticket for, she's going down tonight. There's no explanation. I'm not supposed to come here. We lost one of my friends last week. With the burial tomorrow will be Monday. True story. You follow people, go drink. And see, my advice you before I even continue. If you follow people, go drink. It's important that you follow people who not be professional for drinking. Follow those who all of them are at the same level for reasoning. Because if you follow professionals go, they go put you for trouble. The guy follow professionals go drink, he don't high. And the wife, that problem woman. As he won't go as 9 friends tell and say, bro, the way you take this, so if you go as a wife, go give you problem. Oh, we need for this drink to clear now. He say, what I go do this? We'll give you 2 guests. May they wipe you, may they drink, come out. True story. Now they bring 2 girls, so 2 Lagos girls, we don't get conscience. Maybe say their occupation for life. Now fuck. So they wipe. You know, so that they wipe this guy. The wife sweet the guy don't know when the big phone call the wife. Say, baby, if you see fuck with the happen here. So we dey bury am tomorrow. If this one, you know, this thing not supposed to make una laugh because na true life story I dey talk here. Facts. Thank God all of us na adult here. If you be woman for year now and you are married, you never see your husband for 3 days. Now go in this home. He's missing. Funny enough, not even go they write for newspaper or go TV say your husband is missing. I know where he did. Yes, one of my big man friend, he be like this guy. Not be you, be like this guy. His wife called me and say, bro, my husband never comes for 7 days. Now I go to the house. I told her like 30 minutes, then the man come. Me and the wife did there 1 hour, the phone and they discuss, bros, what happened now? Why you never come for 7 days? The guy don't talk anything, you're quiet. After that guy 1 hour, then the wife say, my children also come from school, ma go cook. As the woman leave us come up, then the bros locked up. They ask me, say, bro, they don't lick your blockers before. I'm not joking, I shock. I said, how would they come up for you're commuting for us, they enter blockers? He said, bro, don't be smarting up, no. I just go one comedy show for a good time. I say, I go to the bar, go drinking. Now, since that day, I want to get the lick my blockers. As I did here, I see the lick and the only thing they enter my head now, drive your wife. So as I did here, my wife never know my plan for her. Just the rake. Me now, we be good man, what can advise and say, bros, don't be so that they do these things now. The guy say, no. Before you go advise me, go make the lick your blockers. When I see whether you go fit talk. You know when he don't read for Lagos men. No jokes. Girl life the way that they do this day, one girl saying that man, people husband she dey find now. She dey even the train boxing, say if the woman find her come, the beat way go beat the wife. So in saying that, everybody, if your husband is missing, just know say that they lick him blockers, so he's gone. Okay? Now before I go, it's good to be good. People just together for Jilosaku. Please clap for him. He legend in this comedy industry. He has helped so many people. Some of the people, the time we into the carry people go London that I never start comedy. I not go London since that why they celebrate, that's how they go. Yes. Now, for Warri we have to come out. If you come Lagos, you don't do Lagos for like 5 years, you need the same money go house. They'll send JUJU make kill you for Lagos. True story now they turn out so this particular guy never go out for 7 years. They send JUJU come for Warri make kill the guy for Lagos. JUJU reach the guy house, JUJU not see the guy for house. Now JUJU now, he can't do something because say the guy there for club, that JUJU go club, go meet her. Before the JUJU reach the club, the man don't high. Now the JUJU tell the man, the man see the JUJU as JUJU they come because they're spiritual level together. He said, JUJU, What do you got to do for club? Juju say, I don't feel like you. There's someone called kill you. The Juju shock for the reply we get. The man say, my brother, everybody go die one day. Sit down, make you drink. Now this guy begin buy drink for Juju. You know, say before club close on morning, Juju not they call the guy, boss! Now man you be. You too get level. Anything you go kill, you may go kill Sammy first. As it enter the man, now the guy say, me they give Juju guess. Me they give Juju lap dance. You know, say as Juju they collect lap dance, Juju is scattered. Juju don't know when the big four call Amadio. For the first time, he call Amadio her bro. If they say you go keep person, me they watch well. You not go keep your destiny here, power. As Amadio I want to talk Juju court, they busy. One of the girls just carry Juju block us now in liquor. Juju stand up, go meet normal human being. My God, I worship you. You are the Alpha and the Omega. No jokes. In the morning, as club don't close, Juju don't hide. Juju won't go, now the guy buy Dom Perignon, give the Juju. And Juju say, what be this? He said, not Dom Perignon. How much did they sell it for you? He said, 750,000. Juju shout, what? For 85 years, why don't they follow this lot of the work? All this snap, all they drink, this drink go buy a more. Juju hold up for one pit, now take away, now he move. Native lot of they look mirror. The person will say, Juju go kiss till they are alive. As Juju won't go sleep now, shout, Juju, come here. See person was saying, go carry look at for mirror now. He's still there alive. Now Juju ask the doctor, you want that? If you want that, let me know. You get hurt, you go send me my go keep my God. I pick phone, I call the guy. My God, the guy said, Juju, what's up? He said, wait. My God, the guy said, Juju, what's up? He said, wait. People when they worship me now 3 times, they call me, my God, 3 times. My God. The guy said, Juju, talk now. He said, what we go do this mature porcupine good? This idiot, what we go do? Now the guy tell Juju, say, my brother, everybody deserve a second chance. Live and make it live. I shocked. Juju tell his daughter, thank Jesus. He saved you.
M.O.P. Next of Kin.